The world of recycling and waste management is changing, and you need a solution that helps you stay ahead, no matter what changes come. Diversys, the only platform that completely transforms the way recycling and waste programs are managed. Run your programs like never before. Connect all your in-field and back-office management activities, and know your progress towards your targets and goals at any time. The Diversys integrated mobile app and web platform give you everything you need, from dashboards and KPI tracking that help you measure your performance at any time, to detailed, real-time visibility into what's happening in the field, event by event, and easy reporting that lets your governing bodies and stakeholders know that you've kept your promises and achieved your goals. Unlike your current program management process, whether it's paper-based or a software solution, Diversys gives you reliable, complete, and high-quality data about what's happening in your program, so you can make strong decisions for your business based on accurate information. Diversys integrates with other tools, so you can manage relationships, payments, and inventory better than ever. Stay ahead in this evolving industry, no matter what changes come. Diversys, powering a world without waste.